fight for no reason. In our 4-bedroom house, the stars don't need a reason to come out. And the sun doesn't need a reason to shine. Why do I need a reason to be right? Do you remember when we sat by the river, hand in hand? You looked at me and said, I'll never let you go. I believed it, and we listened to the sound of the water while we lay under the stars. I could stay right here forever, my love. Don't let me go. The sound of the water under the stars. Don't let me go. I can hear the sound of flowing water every time I close my eyes, and every time I feel that nothing matters, the stars begin to shine. You